Hi, my name is Mrs. Potter. I wanted to invite you into our classroom because we missed open house due to Hurricane Ian. First of all, let me say I hope that you are all faring well and that your families came through safely and with everything intact. My thoughts and prayers go out to everyone in the state of Florida. I know it was a trying time for all of us, and we're looking forward to getting back to school and getting your students back in class. I know that we missed open house, and my students, your students, worked so hard to invite you in to let you see what they were doing, and I didn't want to miss the opportunity to show you how amazing your kids are. You know that, but we've been working hard here in class, so I wanted you to see. First of all, for our middle school families, this is our Ffa Wall. That's where your students that are in FFA find their names on the board to say, hey, I'm a member of the Hawn Middle Ffa chapter. This is our classroom. Your kiddos have worked hard this year, and I wanted you to see it. So I thought, why not bring you in virtually to let you see what our classroom looks like. This is where your students find their daily work, whatever it is we're doing. Middle school classes come in here and they know what to do. Their bell ringers are on the board. They know where to find their bell ringer books and what their day starts off looking like. I love processes and procedures in our class, and I love that the students know what to expect from me, and our Champs board shows them what I expect from them. So there's that level of expectation. Back over here on our back wall, you'll find that this is me, this is us board. This is what each class, 3rd, 4th, 6th, and 7th put together, and this is their work that they put together as a class. It shows what each class looks like. They have their emblem art that represents them. That's the This Is Me. And then This Is Us is their class combined. Also here, you'll find pictures of our first FFA meeting. Back here, you'll find our Ffa Banner with my saying for them, a reminder that you are good, you are worthy, you are able, and I believe in you. There are times throughout the day that I have to remind them that I believe in them and I want them to believe in themselves. We do have computers here in the classroom. Right now they are still covered up as a result of Hurricane Ian. I'm here, it's Tuesday. I believe it's October 4th. Hang on a minute, it is October 4th. I'm so sorry, these days are running together. I'm trying to get our classroom put back together so I can welcome your kiddos back tomorrow. We have our hydroponic systems over here, waiting to be put together when they come back. So everything is ready for them to go. I can't wait to see them tomorrow. Again, I hope that your families are faring well. If you have not joined our Class Remind for either 6th and 7th grade or for our 8th grade class, please do that. That's a communication tool that I love to use. And if your student hasn't joined FFA and you are at all interested, please go ahead and do that. We have ordered our t-shirts, but I ordered extra in the hope that the 40 students that have already joined would have more of their classmates join them. We have monthly meetings. They're one time a month on Tuesdays in an effort trying to not mix up with other clubs, because I know that students are part of thespians, they're part of dance team, they're part of band, they're part of other organizations, and we tried to pick a day that would not interfere with their other activities. So we would love to have them join us in FFA. If you have any questions, you can always reach me at Potter, P-O-T-T-E-R-S, @ivyhawnschool.org. I hope that this has given you a glimpse into our classroom. Please know that I am so proud of your students. I love my middle school kiddos. It has been an absolute pleasure and a joy, and I hope you've enjoyed your time in our classroom today. Thanks. Bye for now.